So this is our half Westminster model. Now the Westminsters are the narrowest frames we do, just over a foot deep, so they're designed to go in really small spaces, small courtyard gardens, or maybe a side return of a townhouse where the width is very restricted. And this one is our shortest model, the 1 metre or the 3'4" long model, and as you can see it comes with a couple of adjustable sea tray shelves in there. Framework's architectural aluminium. It's got a 25-year guarantee on it, and there's stainless steel fixings for it, including fixings to fix it back to a wall. It can go against a wall or a fence. If it goes against a wall, the wall acts like a storage heater, giving off the heat in the early evening time and extending your growing day. So the glass slides, all tough and safety glass. It's very strong and very durable, but you've got excellent ventilation and also excellent access into the mini greenhouse, and the roof glass slides as well, so you've got good ventilation and even access in through the top to make it easier for you. Inside, as I say, we've got 2 sea tray shelves. They're adjustable height wise, so you can change the spacing of those depending what plants you put on there, and then you can also drop them flat or take them out if you don't want to have them in the summertime, so you can use them for Mediterranean crops. You'll see that the rods themselves are slim aluminium bars. We do that deliberately to try and maximise the amount of light we're getting down to the lower levels. The Westminster's wonderful for a little nursery, bringing on seedlings in the springtime if you've only got a small garden, and it makes a wonderful herb house as well. So if you are into cooking, you can have herbs in here, just have it outside the kitchen door and you can go outside, pick the herbs and then use them directly in your cooking. So a very useful little herb house as well. This is the plain aluminium finish, but we have powder coating options as well if you want to make it blend into your greenhouse, and we have a range of colours available. So the Westminster mini greenhouse, ideal for the small space but a really sturdy mini greenhouse to protect your plants.